What if I told you there's an animal that defies the laws of physics every time it goes to the bathroom, producing perfectly geometric cubes instead of ordinary droppings? Imagine walking through the Australian bush and stumbling upon something that shouldn't exist in nature, a neat pile of cube-shaped droppings. No, it's not some prank or alien artifact. It's the calling card of one of Earth's most mysterious marsupials, the wombat. While every other animal on the planet produces rounded or tubular waste, wombats create something extraordinary. Their poop comes out as near-perfect cubes, sometimes dozens at a time, stacked like tiny brown dice. For years, scientists dismissed this as folklore. But when they finally looked closer, they discovered something even more astonishing. Wombats have solved an engineering problem that humans still struggle with. So, how does an animal produce geometric shapes using only soft, flexible tissue? And why would evolution favor cubes over simpler forms? The answer lies in one of the most unusual digestive systems in the animal kingdom. Let's start with the wombat itself. A sturdy, burrow-dwelling creature that looks like a small bear, but is actually closer related to koalas. Wombats spend their nights grazing on tough grasses and their days resting in elaborate tunnel systems. They're built like tanks, with strong claws for digging and a rear end that seems to break all the rules of biology. The first clue to the cube mystery lies in what wombats eat. Their diet consists mainly of native grasses, which are low in nutrients and incredibly dry. To extract every possible bit of moisture and energy, food spends up to 4 times longer in a wombat system than in similar-sized animals. By the time digestion is complete, the waste material has become exceptionally dry and compact, almost like compressed sawdust, but dryness alone doesn't create cubes. That's where the wombat's intestines come in. Most mammals have intestines with consistent elasticity. They stretch evenly, producing rounded feces. But wombats have something different. Sections of varying thickness and flexibility in their final digestive tract. Recent studies using laboratory tests and CT scans revealed that the last sections of a wombat's intestine have 2 rigid, stiff regions alternating with 2 more flexible, stretchy zones. As digestive material moves through this specialized passage, the stiff parts hold their shape while the flexible sections contract in rhythm. This creates pressure points that mold the waste into distinct corners. Think of it like a factory assembly line where soft clay passes through a series of molds. Except in the wombat's case, the molds are living tissue that gently shapes the material as it moves. The process takes between 14 and 18 days from eating to excretion, giving the intestine plenty of time to work its geometric magic. But why would evolution go to such lengths to produce cube-shaped poop? The answer lies in wombat communication. These solitary animals use their droppings as territorial markers, placing them prominently on rocks, logs, and raised surfaces near their burrows. Round droppings would simply roll away, but cubes stay put. They stack neatly, resist tipping over, and provide a stable platform for scent. Marking each cube carries chemical signals that tell other wombats about the marker's health, sex, and reproductive status. In the dense Australian bush where visibility is low, these scented cubes become bulletin boards, a way to claim territory without direct confrontation. The better they stay in place, the more effective the communication. What's truly remarkable is that wombats achieve this geometric precision without any hard parts in their digestive system. They're using soft tissue to solve a problem that human engineers typically address with metal molds and industrial processes. Researchers are now studying whether similar principles could be applied to manufacturing, using flexible materials to shape hard substances. There's even evidence that the cube shape becomes more perfect during drier seasons, when the waste material becomes harder and holds its shape better. This suggests the Wombat system adapts to environmental conditions, fine-tuning the process for optimal results. The more we learn about wombat digestion, the more it challenges our understanding of what's possible in biology. We're used to seeing evolution create efficient shapes, streamlined fish, aerodynamic birds, symmetrical flowers. But here we have evolution creating precise geometric forms for communication purposes. It makes you wonder what other biological marvels we've overlooked, because they seemed too strange to be true. Next time you see a wombat, that sturdy, waddling creature often dismissed as just another marsupial, remember that hidden inside its unassuming body is one of nature's most brilliant engineering solutions. In the quiet Australian night, while we're sleeping, these animals are producing perfect cubes through nothing more than the rhythm of life itself. What other animal mysteries should we explore next? Drop your most puzzling nature question in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Animal Fact Vault for more incredible revelations from the natural world.